And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
All right, I'm hungry for breakfast now. Thanks, Casey. All right, you're packing this lunchbox for the kids this morning. Don't forget to give them the umbrella, as it will be raining in the afternoon for that afternoon bus stop, 40 degrees. And here's the storm timeline. The rain arrives 1 to 3 o'clock today. Steady rain overnight and heavy at times. In the morning and early afternoon, snow showers are with us tomorrow. Really shouldn't accumulate too much here in Rhode Island. Might be another coating, maybe a half an inch up in the northwestern hills, up by near Smithfield. We'll see how that works out. But most of us should not get a huge accumulation. The temperatures won't really be below 32, and the ground is not frozen. So it's going to be hard to accumulate snow. We do have winter watches and warnings to the west. Here comes the snow and on the leading edge of this precipitation shield, but it's mostly rain, and it will be for us as well. And look at some of the what we have here. The winter storm warning from tonight until Friday evening. That's for Maine and upstate New Hampshire. So if you're traveling that way, keep that in mind. Winter weather advisory for almost all of Massachusetts, especially Worcester County, northern Worcester County, and western Massachusetts, the Berkshires, and then you've got New Hampshire and Vermont in that as well. This is the system coming at us, and you see that the leading edge of the precipitation right around Philadelphia right now, and there's moderate and heavy rain with this. So as it moves in, a warm front here really won't push far to the north and allow us to get into this very warm air. So we stay cool here with this system, and by the afternoon and evening, it starts to rain, and it comes down heavily as there's a redeveloping low pressure area right over southern New England and over Long Island. So that is going to enhance the precipitation. This low will spin over us by Friday, and that will actually bring in some instability in the atmosphere and create some snow showers on the backside of this, and it will be cold enough to support the snow. But like I said, the ground temperatures and also the air temperatures near the ground are above freezing. So here's the future cast. 40 degrees at 3 o'clock and raining. We've got moderate to heavy rain at 10 o'clock, upper 30s for the temperature. Look at the rain snow line here, north of Boston, north of Worcester, and in Franklin County of Massachusetts, and then northern, Vermont and New Hampshire as well. And that moves out. We're left with a little bit of a break, perhaps, for the evening, morning commute tomorrow. But then this next little wave comes in with the upper level system, and that creates some instability, snow showers. And look at temperatures. I mean, 37 in Providence. We're not going to accumulate any snow. We're in the mid-30s here. But that's the way it looks. Reduced visibility tomorrow. It may cause some slippery roads, perhaps, in northwestern areas of Rhode Island. Coating possible. And then north of us, it's about like 1 to 2 inches. Tonight, 36, so it's a cool rain here. Moderate to heavy rain with an easterly wind. 34 tomorrow with the light snow. And here's the 7-day forecast. After we get through this, the wind kicks in and dries us out Friday evening. If you have any Friday evening plans, it's looking pretty good. And then it's breezy and with sun and clouds over the weekend. Breezy Saturday. Sunday is a beautiful day, but we have evening rain coming in to take us into Monday morning. And then I've got on here, I put this, a storm to watch next Wednesday. We'll have to see. If that track ends up being a little farther south than it looks right now, look out. That's all I'm going to say. We'll be watching it for you.